Hello, this is Joel from Pilgrim Permaculture, and today I'd like to take you on a tour of a small Mediterranean climate drought-tolerant food forest. On the south end of the food forest, we start with some prickly pear cactus. It's covered with fruit, a very productive, delicious fruit. And in the background, we see the nitrogen fixer. It's Acacia dealbata, or silver wattle, and that provides shade and mulch. Another plant that's very prominent in this food forest is agave, and we can see through the agaves over to the prickly pear on the other side, and we are underneath the silver wattle at the moment. The silver wattle provides nitrogen, the agave provides biomass, living mulch, and this is all on a berm between a gravel parking lot and some office buildings. And this is USDA Zone 9B, Vacaville, California. You can see, just panning over here, we see some more agaves in the background, and the other main fruit in this system, and that's a champagne table grape. I'll show some from the other side too. Now we're looking at the agave from the other side. You can see one of them is blooming. There's an oak at this end. There's two oaks, several small ones, and those provide a trellis for the grapes. So here are the grapes going on up in the tree. So the nitrogen is provided by the silver wattle, and that a lot of biomass, a lot of mulch. I'll zoom in here on the silver wattle. This is all up on a berm, about 5 feet tall. Look at this. There's how thick the mulch is. Let's have another view further down. This is what the ground is like. This is up here trapped between the agaves. You have, look at that mulch. This is, there it's, I would say, at least 8 inches thick. The agaves trap all this mulch from the silver wattle. Here's a close-up of the silver wattle. And one of the largest silver wattles that I've seen in this area. There are several main trunks, which helps stabilize it since they do break off pretty easily in high winds, and they get a lot of wind here, and they're doing fine. So here are the grapes up the side of the berm. The berm is about 5 feet tall overall, and we'll zoom in here on the grapes. Just look at those. Beautiful, and these are delicious grapes. Okay, and there is a view of this Mediterranean food forest. It is decades old, no human intervention since it's been planted, and no irrigation, and it is functioning as an edible ecosystem.